What lies in this city? Could it be the four gods? Invisible to the human eye, their power is apparent in this land even today. That must be why Mori Takachika moved administrative headquarters to this city. Is there any chance that the loyalists knew? Did they know of this unfathomable power that has been dormant for 500 years? It's been 150 years since the Meiji Restoration. But even in today's Heisei period, there is a special place where dreams come true. Come and discover this secret with your own eyes.